SSDs for today's devices. An M.2 SSD is a solid-state drive specifically designed for high-performance storage in small form factors. M.2 SSDs enable high-performance storage in thin, power-constrained devices like tablets. They're typically smaller than mSATA SSDs. In fact, M.2 SSDs were created as an alternative to mSATA. Here, we'll examine how M.2 SSDs differ from their predecessor, but you can learn more about related storage devices and their different uses by clicking the link above or in the description below. M.2 SSDs intended to improve upon mSATA SSDs, but didn't run them out of production completely. mSATA SSDs are still used in thin laptops that can support their larger size, but M.2 and mSATA SSDs have different connectors and can't be plugged into the same devices anyway. In addition to size, M.2 SSDs are faster and store more data than most mSATA cards, and support a variety of interface standards like PCIe 3.0, SATA 3.0, and USB 3.0, while mSATA only supports SATA. PCIe support also allows M.2 cards to take advantage of the non-volatile Memory Express or NVMe protocol, reducing latency, increasing input and output operations per second, and lowering power consumption. The main drawbacks to M.2 SSD storage are price and lack of ubiquity. M.2 SSD cards can be up to 2.5 times the cost of a SATA drive of the same capacity. And the largest M.2 SSDs support 2 terabytes, which is more than mSATA drives, but less than other SSD options like 2.5-inch drives. While 1 or 2 terabytes is adequate for most mobile apps, higher capacities will be necessary if M.2 chips are to make it to enterprise systems in the future. What SSD do you use? Share the pros and cons in the comments below, and remember to hit that like button too.